We're granting you 3 wishes now. What would you do with a magical lamp and a genie? Starring Will Smith and Naomi Scott, and Guy Ritchie takes the directing reins behind this magical remake of Aladdin. Right now on Channel 4.
Electrifying performance. Channel 4 Film, sponsored by Genesis.